Hi, I'm Damien Leonard and welcome to my training regarding the forms of gas lifts. As an engineer passionate about well optimization, I early specialized in well performance. Among all the artificial lift methods, gas lift is my favorite one. Why is it my favorite one? It's my favorite one because it is the least understood artificial lift method. And why is it the least understood artificial lift methods? While on other artificial lift methods like ESP for instance, if you do things wrong, your well will stop producing. A gas lifted well will keep on producing even with a bad design. Hence, many operators won't pay attention to their gas lifted well and won't realize that it's not optimized. There is therefore a huge opportunity for any engineer willing to master the concept of gas lifts. In this class, I will present some forms of gas lift activation. I will start by showing you a typical gas lift installation. Then we'll discuss continuous gas lift, intermittent gas lift, plunger lift, dual gas lift completion, annular flow, and we'll also discuss some less commonly presented forms of gas lift in trainings like packerless gas lift as a backup for ESP, gas lift and jet pump combo installation, or pig lifts. For each configuration, I will explain the general principle and we'll discuss the pros and the cons. This class is well suited for production, petroleum and well performance engineer to explore the different gas lift configuration available for their wells. It is well suited for field personnel engineer to understand the principle of activation of their gas lift wells and to which parameters they should pay attention to. And it is well suited for completion and surface facilities engineer to understand what they can do to help designing and optimizing the right gas lift configuration for each well. As a prerequisite to that class, it is better to have some understanding of the inflow and the outflow mechanism. Just follow my class about the well production mechanism available on Petrolessons. You will also need a very basic knowledge of a well architecture and awareness of the oil field depths. By the end of the course, you will be able to download a simplified version of the slides presented in the course, a video from Weatherford about gas lifts, and you will be able to take a quiz to test your knowledge. As a bonus material, you will have access to my Introduction to Gas Lift video from my Introduction to Artificial Lift course, also available on Petrolessons. This class is the first class of a series of courses that I'm gonna do about gas lifts. So enroll for it today and that will be your first step in a journey in which I'm gonna guide you to become a master of gas lifts.